Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert the physical SIM card at the iPhone 15. Please note, if you're having the US version, it doesn't work. You cannot insert a physical SIM card. You can only enable an eSIM. Ask your provider for that. Also only at US versions. Okay, let's insert now the physical SIM card here at the iPhone 15. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. You will find here another white box, and there's some cards inside, and the first one contains the SIM ejection tool. Just remove it like this, or otherwise you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, or a bit stronger, and then you can remove the SIM tray. Okay, let's start now to insert the SIM card. Place it like this here so that the contacts are on top. Okay, this is how it should look like then. So as you can see, the SIM card has a missing corner, belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, and the contacts, they are on top. So now after, just put the SIM tray into the SIM slot again, so the contacts, they are on top to the display side. Now just close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I upgraded also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.